If you've ever had an image that you wanted to work with vinyl instead of paper, you need to adjust some of the settings. And so with this example, I'm going to show you how to change a file that's set up to work for paper and altering it so that you can work with vinyl. And I'm choosing this elephant with a swirl pattern. First thing you want to do is select that item, copy it, and paste it so you have it on your design board twice. Just move one off to the side and we'll get to it later. Choosing the first one, we're going to ungroup it, and then we're going to select it all again and then choose to slice it. Then we'll go in and delete the layers that we no longer need. In this case, it's the shape of the elephant. What we're looking for is the swirl itself. On the second image, you ungroup it, and then we're going to move away the part that we don't need. Changing the color of the elephant to a blue color, and then placing the design where we desired it on the elephant. Just changing things by moving it to front and back so that we can see the elemental design shapes. And now I'm just placing it where it was on the original design. The reason for doing this is that I don't want to have two large pieces of vinyl laying on top of each other. For one, it's a waste of material, and for two, it's a little bit hard to align the edges. And so this will work much easier for layering vinyl to work on an iron-on project. I hope you find this helpful.